If you have been charged with indecent liberties with a child in Virginia, you are facing a sex crime. You need to talk to an attorney immediately. Call 888-437-7747. Now, what is the law for Virginia indecent liberties with a child? The law is based off of 18.2-370. Virginia Code 18.2-370 makes it an offense for anyone over the 18 to commit certain acts with anyone under the age of 15. Among the acts that are prohibited are considered taking indecent liberties with a child. The law states that if one exposes his or her genitals or sexual parts, or proposes that the child expose him or herself, it is punishable. Proposing that a child feel or fondle either the child's own or the adult's genitals or sexual parts, or that the adult fondle the child's parts, and enticing, alluring, persuading, or inviting a child to enter a vehicle, room, house, or other place for the purpose of committing any of the sex acts above is also punishable under Virginia Code 18.2-370. If you are charged with any of these offenses, then you may be punished with a Class 5 felony punishable by up to 10 years in prison and a maximum fine of $2,500. You also need to be aware that this code section punishes any individual who knowingly encourages a minor to perform or be the subject of child pornography. A second or subsequent conviction for indecent liberties is a Class 4 felony punishable by up to 10 years in prison and a maximum of a $100,000 fine. The Indecent Liberties statute also makes special provision for offenders who are parents, step-parents, grandparents, or step-grandparents. In such classification, the law changes the punishment based on age. When the minor is between 15 and 18, the offense is a Class 5 felony. But when the child is younger than 15, it becomes a Class 4 felony. The offense is a Class 6 felony under Virginia Code Section 18.2-370.1, which states that if the offender is an adult other than a parent, step-parent, grandparent, or step-grandparent who has a custodial or supervisory relationship with an unemancipated child and commits any of the acts defined as indecent liberties with the child, or to sexually abuse the child, then the charge of indecent liberties with the minor will appear complicated, and approaching the charge without legal help can result in severe harm to you, and will more likely than not lead to a conviction. To try and avoid the horrible penalties that come as a result of being charged with this offense, contact an attorney immediately. Call my office at 888-437-7747. I will do everything I can to help you. Thank you.